Good evening, Rahul.
Good evening, Wisdom Tree. I have been practicing multiplying with two-digit numbers and I am facing a small problem with carrying forward the numbers. I need little more help with them.
Sure, Rahul. Let me tell you one more story about how the princess got through with the concept. Today, we shall learn about multiplying with two-digit number. Guruji and the princess came back from the coconut farm. As soon as they reached the Gurukul, it started to rain heavily. It rained very heavily. All the students were terrified by the sounds of the lightning. When morning set in, the rain had stopped and it was calm outside. Everybody stepped out of the Gurukul and looked around. Though the Gurukul was intact, the garden was destroyed and many trees had fallen. A few cows roamed freely and the rest of the cattle had run off into a nearby forest, scared of the lightning. Most of the cattle sheds were damaged and had to be built again. Guruji sent some students along with some Gurukul Sevaks to gather the cattle that had run away and bring them back. He then asked the remaining students to help him rebuild the cattle sheds.
How many sheds do we have to make, Guruji?
We have around 250 cattle. We can tie 2 cows in one shed. So we need to build 125 cattle sheds. Yudhishthir and Duryodhan, go and tell the mason that I have asked him to come and help us.
Yes, Guruji.
Others will help me clear the debris.
After some time, Yudhishthir and Duryodhan came back with the mason, and by that time, Guruji and the students had cleared the debris. Some runaway cattle had been found and brought back. The mason came and talked to Guruji and then started his work. Guruji asked Yudhishthir, Duryodhan, Arjun, and left them with some students to take care of the damaged garden.
How many bricks do we need to build all the sheds?
The mason took all the necessary dimensions of the shed to be made. We need 64 bricks to build one shed. The princess started to collect the bricks and pile up near the construction site.
How much do we need to build 125 sheds?
Everybody looked at each other. Then they walked to Guruji, who was in the garden, and asked his help. Then Guruji smiled and started to teach them multiplication with two-digit number, so that they could calculate the number of bricks needed.
Now, let me explain the product of two-digit numbers not having zeros. Look at this example. Multiply 53 and 24. First step, we have to multiply 53 by ones digit of 24. That is, multiply 53 by 4. Multiplying 3 ones and 4 ones, we get 12 ones. So write 2 in ones place and carry 1 to tens place. Now product of 5 tens and 4 tens is 20 tens plus 1 ten which is carried gives 21 tens. So the product of 53 and 4 is 212. Now we have to multiply 53 by tens digit of 24, that is 20. Write 0 in ones place. Now multiply 53 by 2. That is, multiplying 3 by 2 we get 6 and multiplying 5 by 2 we get 10. So 53 multiplied by 20 is 1060. Now we have to add both the products. That is 53 multiplied by 4, 212 and 53 multiplied by 20, 1060. Adding them, we get 1272. Hence, product of 53 and 24 is 1272. I will do one more example. Multiply 324 and 56. So, first we have to multiply 324 with the ones digit of 56, that is 6. Multiplying 4 ones and 6 ones, we get 24 ones. So write down 4 and carry 2 to tens place. Now product of 2 tens multiplied by 6 tens is 12 tens, plus 2 tens which is carried gives 14 tens. So 4 in tens place and carry 1 to hundreds place. Now multiplying 3 in hundreds place with 6, we get 18 plus 1 hundreds which is carried gives 19 hundreds. So product of 324 and 6 is 1944. Now we have to multiply 324 with tens digit of 56, that is 50. Write a 0 at the end. Now multiplying 4 with 5, we get 20. So write 0 and carry 2 to tens place. Multiplying 2 with 5, we get 10. Plus 2 which is carried, we get 12. So write down 2 and carry 1 to hundreds place. Now 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. Plus 1 that is carried, we get 16. So 324 multiplied by 50 is 16,200. Now we have to add both these products. So adding 1,944 and 16,200, we get 18,144. Children, now do you remember before starting this lesson, I asked you to prepare 125 cattle sheds with 64 bricks in each cattle shed.
Yes, Guruji.
Now that you have learnt how to multiply with 2-digit number, you can calculate the number of bricks needed to make cattle shed. So calculate and then start collecting the bricks. One of you come and do the calculation.
Number of cattle sheds is equal to 125. Number of bricks needed for one cattle shed is equal to 64. So, total number of bricks needed is equal to 125 multiplied by 64.
Good. Now, what is the first step to find the product?
We have to multiply 125 with ones digit of 64.
Very good. Start doing.
We have to multiply 125 with 4. Multiplying 5 with 4, we get 10. So write 0 and carry 2 to tens digit. Now multiplying 2 with 4, we get 8. Adding with 2, we get 10. So write 0 and carry 1 to hundreds place. Now 1 multiplied 4 is 4. Adding the 1 carried, we get 5. So 125 multiplied by 4 is 500.
Now you have to multiply with 60. So what you should do first?
So we write a 0 at the end.
Good.
Now 5 multiplied with 6 is 30. So write down 0 and carry 3 to tens place. 2 multiplied with 6 is 12. Adding 3, we get 15. So write down 5 and carry 1. Now 1 multiplied with 6 is 6 and add the 1 carried, so we get 7. So 125 multiplied with 60 is 7,500. Now adding 500 and 7,500, we get 8,000. So 8,000 bricks are needed to make 125 cattle sheds.
In this lesson, the princess learnt multiplying with 2-digit number. Rahul, hope you have understood all the concepts.
Very well. But it is sad to see the princess work so hard. I will remember what you said, my friend. I shall leave now. Good night.